I am Ali Ahmad from Ivy Professional School. Today I will be sharing my data analysis report on website ad click dataset. I have basically used R programming tool to do my analysis. So here is the data set. It consists of more than 6,000 rows and 14 columns. So now moving forward to the presentation on website ad click. Here are my contents: case study, objective, univariate analysis using histogram, bivariate analysis using box plot, model building and outcome, observations, and business recommendations. Coming to case study, this dataset is mainly about who is likely going to click on the advertisements. It consists of 14 variables: visit ID, time spent, age, average income, internet usage, ad topic, country name, city code, mail, time period, weekday, month, year, and the target variable which is clicked. The objective of the project here is to perform a logistic regression analysis to arrive at a model that can be used to predict who is likely going to click on the advertisements, so it can contribute to more revenue generation to the organization. Considering this objective, we are running a logistic regression model on the dependent variable to analyze the influence of several independent factors that affect our target variable. Here are the univariate analysis. For continuous column, we are using histogram. Time spent is left skewed and the maximum time spent is between 70 to 90. Average income is also left skewed and the ad clicks are maximum between 50,000 to 70,000. Univariate analysis using bar plot for the categorical column. You can see here number of unclicked is more than clicked, whereas the number of customer are less in early morning as compared to other time. Here the city 1 has clicked more ads as compared to other cities like city 5 and city 9. Coming to bivariate analysis using box plot. Here we can see the average age of user is 36 years old, while the youngest is 19 and the oldest is 61. So we can conclude that the site's target audience is mainly adults. Daily time spent by users on the website ranges between 32.6 to 91.4 minutes. Here is the bivariate analysis using group bar chart. We can see here city 1 has clicked more ads, whereas other cities are less. Coming to statistical tests, ANOVA test. It is the analysis of variance. It gives the relation between continuous and categorical columns, whether they are statistically significant or not. If the small p-value is less than 0.05, means that variables are correlated and the null hypothesis is rejected. If the p-value is large, that is 0, greater than 0.05, means the variables are not correlated and we can say that null hypothesis is accepted. In this data set, the variables that were found significant from the ANOVA testing are namely time spent, age, average income, and internet usage. These variables have p-value less than 0.05. Moving forward to chi-square test, it is the quantitative measure between the two categorical variables. Same as ANOVA test, if the p-value has less than 0.05, then the variables are correlated and the null hypothesis is rejected. Whereas if the p-value is greater than 0.05, means the variables are not correlated and we can say null hypothesis is accepted. The variables that were found significant from chi-square test were male, time period, city code, and year. They all have p-value less than 0.05. The variables like week and month were found with large p-value, that is p-value are greater than 0.05. So we can reject these variables for further analysis. Coming to model building and outcome. For model building technique, maximum likelihood estimation is used to estimate the parameters in logistic regression. These are the significant variables found after model building: time spent, age, average income, internet usage, time period, and city code. This is the sigmoid curve. It plots the true positive rate against the false positive rate. It ranges between 0 to 1. So coming to observations that are achieved after model building. We have accuracy of logistic regression model 92%, sensitivity or recall 91%, specificity almost 94%, precision is 95%, negative predicted value is 89%, balance accuracy is 92%, and the F1 score is almost 93%. These accuracy and the recall specificity were achieved by running a R code. For this, we have created the confusion matrix table. For confusion matrix, we are running a library named caret package. So we have achieved some observations regarding accuracy is 92%, which we can see. So coming to business recommendations, we can see that people aged between 30 to 40 are spending more time on site daily. We can give more advertisement related to discount to the people between 50 to 60 age group in order to generate more revenue for the organization. User tends to click on ad later in a day or probably early in the morning. It is expected based on the age feature that most people are working, so it seems appropriate as they either find time early or late in the day. Also, Sunday seems to be effective for clicking on an ad from the bar chart. The percentage of males visiting the website is slightly lower than the females who are clicking on ads. We can show more advertisements related to men products or sports in which men are interested, like football ads. This will increase the clicking on ads and can elevate the revenue of the organization. The area income of users can be observed that it ranges between from $13,000 to $79,484 approximately. Quite a large distribution of incomes. This tells us that the site visitors hail from various social classes. Thank you.